263, we're calculating the touching value for auto tiling. In the top level constant macros, we have this mask to turn off the X bits, this mask to turn off the Y bits. So we're talking about turning off your neighbors to either the left and right or top and bottom. And then we have these bits here to tell us if we are looking at the horizontal bit or the vertical bit of the auto tiling method. Then we have some error checking of these constants here. This is a feature for extended auto tiling, so ATM for auto tiling methods, and we're going to keep this off for now and implement normal auto tiling for now. We've added this section in this video for use feature macros for conditional compilation. Inside of ArtGirl shader macros, we've added this to find the section a little bit easier. This is a mask for a dibble, a mask for a nibble, and a sextet, and we've recreated these variables on the CPU on the GPU side as well. And then in the macro functions section, we've added some tags to find things easier. And this is the thing that's going to calculate the touching value. So this is the touching for left, right, up, and down. We need to take the current tile value, and then we need to look at our neighbor and shift out the tile value. And if the tile in the center matches the neighbor, we return a 1-bit, otherwise we turn a 0-bit. This is a modification of that math if we are using the extended auto tiling method, which we don't have time to go over. Here is a fix to make sure that shader source 5 compiles. Here's shader source 6, and here is the conditional compilation file here. And here is where we're calculating the touching value. So we have the tile value, the auto tiling method, and the touching value. So we're going to extract the tile value, extract the auto tiling method, and use these macros to create a 4-bit value of the touching value, right? So we need to shift these into the correct positions according to this diagram here. And then if we are using extended auto tiling, we're going to do this extra logic to ignore either our neighbors to the left and right, top and bottom, or ignore all of our neighbors. So that is what we've done in this video, and I don't have time to explain. You can go to the longer video for more explanation. Like and subscribe.